Sorry! Welcome to another video, guys. Those who follow me on Instagram will probably have seen the intro of this video. If you don't, just be sure to go on Instagram and follow at Dracula Airsoft. Another gameplay from Elite Action Games. Enjoy, guys. I see him, yeah. I got him. Hit! Hit! Sniper down. Sorry! That is all for today, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. We've reached a major milestone on YouTube, 500 subscribers and 5,000 followers on Instagram. The next video will probably contain a giveaway which I'm gonna announce on Instagram. So until the next time, I'll see you in my crosshairs.